Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss applications of trigonometry, class 10, exercise 12.2, problem number 10. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 12.2, question number 10. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees. What is the ratio of heights of tower and building? Let us see the solution. What is given in this problem? So the angle of elevation from tower to foot of the building. So means here tower and building it is given. So first you can take the figure. So this is the building I am taking. This is the tower. AB I am taking as building. CD is the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from foot of the building. This is the foot of the building. This is the top of the tower. It is making 30 degrees angle it is making. 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the building from foot of the tower. This is the top of the building. This is the foot of the tower. So that is making 60 degrees it is making. So what is the ratio of heights of tower and building we need to find. Tower ratio and building one we need to find. See here. AB equal height of the building. Next CD equal height of the tower. Angle of elevation CD is given. The angle of elevation from foot of the building to top of the tower. So foot of the building to top of the tower it is making 30 degrees. Next, the angle of elevation from foot of the tower to top of the building, that equals 60 degrees. Now I am taking this triangle I am taking. In triangle ABC, so angle C equals 60 degrees. So this is the opposite, this is the adjacent. Opposite and adjacent, what is the trigonometric ratio? Tan. So tan 60 degrees equals opposite AB by, so first you can write the formula, you have to write it opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 degrees equal opposite AB by adjacent AC. So tan 60 value we know, that is root 3 equal AB by AC. This AC you can transpose to right. So what we can get? AB equal root 3 into AC. This is equation number 1. So what is AB here? AB is the height of the building. Now you can find in triangle ACD, this triangle I am taking. ACD, angle A equal 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees equal opposite by adjacent. Tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. Opposite is CD by adjacent is AC. Now you can take the cross multiplication. AC by root 3 equal CD we are getting. So CD means here, this is the height of the tower, right down here. Therefore, AB equal height of the building, that equal, how much we got it here? Root 3 into AC we got it. Next, CD equal height of the tower, that equal AC by root 3 we got it. Now we need to find the ratio of the heights of tower and building we need to find. So ratio of the heights of tower and building equal. First you need to take the tower. Tower, what is that one? AC by root 3 east. Ratio means east. So building 1 root 3 is into AC. So AC get cancelled means 1 by root 3 equal east to root 3. So 1 is to root 3 into root 3. We are taking cross multiplication means 1 is to 3. So comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.